Welcome everybody in our next session on tips and tricks how you customize your SpiceCRM. Just want to focus on how you can get your image uploaded. So if you're logged on, of course, you see this little avatar over here. Also, if you, for example, hover about an assigned user, there is an avatar in here that's shown, but that can be personalized. So the simple way to upload the image is basically just click on the icon. Then if you go to the icon in the users panel, that brings you this wonderful upload dialog where you can just select an image. So you want to pick an image. It's loaded. Then you can basically drag and drop it. You can use your mouse wheel to resize it. So you feel like that's the right one, and then click use. That uploads your image here, and also other users, of course. Whenever they hover over you, see the wonderful picture. So thanks for listening. Goodbye.